Soya Chunks Manchurian Recipe. We will get crispy and tasty soya chunks if we are making Manchurian in this method. Let's move to the video. In a container, boil some water. Add half teaspoon salt while boiling. Stir it. Add 1 cup of soya chunks to it. Cook on medium flame for 4 minutes. Squeeze it with your hands to remove excess water content inside the soya chunks. Transfer it into a bowl. Add half teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons corn flour, 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. In a pan, take 3 tablespoons oil and heat it. Fry the soya pieces until it becomes golden and crispy. Fry it on high flame for 5 minutes.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Remove it into a bowl after frying. Keep aside for later use. In a pan, take 1 tablespoon oil and heat it. Add 2 teaspoons ginger garlic paste and saute it for 1 minute on medium flame. Then add half chopped onion. Saute it for 2 minutes. Now add half chopped capsicum. Saute it for another 2 minutes on medium flame. Before adding the sauces, keep it low flame. Add 1 tablespoon red chilli sauce, 2 tablespoons tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon soya sauce, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Cook on low flame for 1 minute. Then add 1 tablespoon corn flour mixed in half cup of water, 1/4 teaspoon pepper powder. Mix it well. Cook for 1 minute on low flame. Now add the fried soya to it. Mix it well. Cook for 1 minute. Finally, for garnishing, spread half chopped capsicum. Switch off the flame. Our Soya Chunks Manchurian recipe is ready. We will get crispy and tasty soya chunks if we are making in this method.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.